Why are you recording me?
Why not? You're in my park with no jurisdiction.
Yo, go in your house!
Hell no! I live around here.
You're gonna get arrested, you understand?
For what?
Get going! You're gonna get arrested, I'm telling you right now!
I've already dealt with your sergeant.
You're
I'm
gonna get
allowed to
arrested.
follow. Now you're following
You understand?
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video comes from Chi-Town Sioux. I've been waiting a long time to talk about this story. On April 27th of 2018 at about 4 p.m., Officer Bonkowski of the Justice Police Department was searching a neighborhood for a man for unknown reasons.
Where are you guys coming from? What did I do, sir? Coming from the train tracks? What did I do, sir? Huh? What did I do?
It's unknown why a stop and frisk was performed or if the officer had a lawful reason to even conduct it, but the man runs, and Officer DeBella eventually joins the search. Chi-Town Sioux saw the officers, and because the Justice Police Department doesn't regularly patrol her neighborhood, she began recording them.
You need help?
Where's Ironwood at?
Ironwood. Very first street. You should get in your car because it's all at the end.
My car's way down there.
It's right there. Ironwood's the next street over.
Why are you recording me?
Why not? You're in my park with no jurisdiction. So I'm just curious to know. You don't have any jurisdiction in here. What's going on? Where's the lights and sirens?
What is it going on?
Someday, filming the police in their official capacity won't be so odd to the officers, especially considering that it's legal. While Sioux was able to obtain the body cam footage from this incident, it is often extremely expensive, redacted, missing, non-existent, delayed, or just flat out denied. Filming the police ensures that you have access to footage immediately and free, and in this case, you'll see why it was so important to film. Sioux keeps her distance from the officers while she continues to document the incident, but after a few minutes, Defendant Bonkowski screams at her, telling her to stop videotaping and to return to her house.
Yo, go in your house!
Hell no! I live around here. Can I help you? You guys looking for somebody? Maybe I saw somebody.
Get the fuck out of here if you get arrested!
You, dude, what are you gonna arrest me for? Being held accountable for you, bro.
I'm telling you, you're gonna get arrested!
I dare you.
Note that Officer Bonkowski is the first to use expletives.
Huh? Oh, run, man. This way.
That's right.
You're gonna back up, you understand? You're gonna get arrested, you understand?
For what?
Get going!
For what?
Get going now!
Why are you gonna arrest me?
You're gonna get arrested, I'm telling you
I've
right
already
now!
dealt with your sergeant. Thank
You already know that.
I've already dealt with your
I'm
sergeant.
giving you
Thank
fair warning. You keep following us, you're
I'm
gonna
allowed
get
to follow. Now you're
You
following
understand?
Sioux refused to allow her rights to be violated and continued filming from a safe distance as to not interfere with the ongoing operation. Her refusal caused Officer Bonkowski to explode into an uncontrollable blind rage. She even backs up from the officer as he screams in her face, but he continues to advance. Officer Bonkowski grabs Sioux's camera and throws it into a neighbor's yard. Sioux retrieves it and begins recording again. Officer Bonkowski's ego and grave misunderstanding of human rights and human decency causes him to explode a second time.
You understand?
Yeah, piece of
Okay? Now go back in your house or you get arrested, you understand?
For what? I'm walking around my neighborhood.
Like, right next to rail tracks, couple of those.
Now we're dealing with something serious. I'm telling you, you're gonna get arrested.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back now.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For filming?
Back that way. Jacket, right?
Walking around my park? I can't even come through here?
We're coming into the park now where you want.
You got a supervisor, please? For what? Which is not illegal.
Well, we're dealing with something serious. You ain't gonna follow us. You understand that?
I'm just watching.
go distracting, you understand?
It's not if I'm just watching. I'm not in your way.
I don't care. You ain't gonna film us and follow us. Or we're dealing with somebody with a possible gun. Understand?
Tell me that. Tell me
I
that.
told you.
You told me to go in. You didn't say possible gun. I would have been gone.
So now if I let you out of this cuffs, are you gonna go in your house? Or do you wanna get arrested?
Sure, I'll go in my house.
All right.
As long as you don't follow me.
Go ahead, 13.
I'm dealing with something more serious than
Look for a
fucking
man
dealing
with
with
a
you.
gun, and you're gonna deal with me.
Yeah, you fucking pull. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Exactly.
All right, you're gonna get arrested then. That's fine.
Male black with red and black hooded sweatshirt. Second male black.
I asked, did I see something? Maybe I saw something.
Subject, one wearing a black coat. Second
You
is...
didn't see shit. You just wanna with us.
How am I f***ing with your recording? UCLA versus Almeida Alvarez. I'm allowed to record.
What fucking cases you fucking know?
Of course you
Understand? But you ain't gonna
care about the law.
you ain't gonna follow us. Not even know that you got a gun on you. Oh, come on!
Sue has now been arrested for videotaping from well over 50 feet away, but the incident isn't over yet.
What am I arrested for? What crime? God. All I am doing is walking around the park. I saw you guys coming. Then I figured I'm gonna
I
follow
see you
and
following
what's
one of
going
my
on.
other officers.
Yeah, because I was walking
creeping
around.
up on him on the side of the trailer.
I
seen you.
I ran back in my yard. In my yard, and I wasn't anywhere near him. Supreme Court says 10 feet. I'm way beyond 10 feet.
I don't give a f. You ain't
Never
gonna
go up to
follow
any
us.
police
You ain't gonna
officer like
follow
that.
us. You understand that?
Whatever. Okay.
Yeah, whatever.
I'll go and go in my house and do whatever you need to do. I don't know, dude.
I'm gonna talk to my sergeant and see if he wants you arrested.
For what? Filming?
Damn f***ing right.
Him. He said I can go on a thing with him and videotape the whole thing if I want.
Officer Bonkowski has now exhibited multiple times that he has no regard for the law or constitutional rights, making it clear on video that he is unable to control his anger, that normal activities trigger his temper, and that he is admittedly making the arrest because Sue was filming.
You got an ID on you?
Nope.
What's your name? Give me a fake name. You're f***ing getting arrested.
Yeah, I know. I'm not dumb. So, but
I'll charge you with that too. I'll charge you with that too.
Tell me a crime that I've committed.
I'll charge you with that too.
Why don't you tell me a crime? Once you hear from your sergeant, I want somebody bigger than you then. If you're going to be mean to me for filming.
You can't follow simple directions, right?
I'm allowed to do it. I wasn't anywhere near you people.
I don't know who the f you are for one, and for two, you ain't gonna follow us. You understand that? You understand that? I don't care who the hell you are. You ain't gonna follow us.
Okay.
All right? When some f***ing guy pulled out a gun on me.
This statement appears to be an outright lie. While the man they were attempting to capture was never found, no weapon was ever pulled on Officer Bonkowski. As the man ran, it appeared that he was pulling up his pants, and while he may have been concealing a weapon, or even reaching for one, the officer's claim is demonstrably false. Remember that talking to cops will only result in your words being used against you in court, and now, because of body cams and personal recordings, the same goes for officers who can't control their anger.
What's your name? What's your name?
What's my crime?
What's your name?
I'm not going to tell you my name unless I've committed a crime. I haven't done anything
That's
wrong.
That's fine.
512, what's your location?
I'm with a female that's being detained right now at
Okay,
We're on
714
test of it.
Briarwood, you've got a female detained.
We're on test of it.
I don't care what street we're on, you understand?
You're so cool.
So I'm walking this way, and she's creeping up behind one of my officers,
creeping, I was
filming
walking
them.
cool as hell.
And then she wants
What
to
do you
fucking
mean?
keep
Ain't no
following us.
creeping.
I don't care. I don't know who you are. So
You
shut
don't have
your
to
mouth,
know. I'm
all right?
not committing a crime. I don't match a description to any of your things, and I'm allowed to record you guys.
You surely ain't hell gonna follow us, I'll tell you that. Because I don't know who the you are if you got any weapons.
I'm trying to
and
see what's going on.
I don't trust your ass, okay?
I'm trying to see what's going on. Well, now that you know I don't have any weapons and what I'm doing, which is not
I don't know. I
illegal.
didn't search you yet.
Go ahead, search me.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Fifth Amendment. How about
I don't need a lawsuit, okay?
What Officer Bonkowski should have said is that he didn't want to add counts to the inevitable lawsuit that this arrest will bring upon him.
Exactly.
Exactly. I ain't
Please
stupid,
detain
okay?
me for no crime.
All you people think you want to
People.
that you think
Yeah.
you know the law, right?
Held you accountable.
Yeah, just so you can try
See what
catching
you
a
do.
few dollars, right?
Yeah.
Oh, let's sue the department. Let's sue the
I have
department.
no money to sue.
You
Are
guys
you
are
crazy?
losers, man.
You're a loser, dude.
Go get a job and be fucking productive.
I'm on disability. I don't need a job. Doctor says I can't work.
Yeah. Let me get that doctor's name. There's a million other people watching what the fuck we're doing. Are they following us? No. Exactly.
A few minutes pass, and Defendant McNamara arrives. Defendant McNamara was Defendant Bonkowski's direct supervisor on scene. He now confirms that the arrest for videotaping an officer performing his official duties was valid and allowed the unlawful arrest to take place.
Coming from running back this way, Mac, I see her creeping up on DeBella.
Making up
back
the
here,
word creep. I was
back here.
plenty of room away.
Got a camera, back creeping up. So she approached me. I'm trying to keep running this way, and she's following me. Keeps following me. I told her, you're going to get arrested. Go back in your house. Okay. Keeps following me. So I stop her and detain her.
Do you have any idea what we were doing?
I know. I told her it's a fucking serious crime going on, and she keeps following me.
She didn't say anything about a serious crime.
We don't have to tell you anything.
No, you
Do
don't.
understand that?
But I also can't record. Can I have your sergeant, the other guy?
I am the
guy
sergeant.
with the white hair?
I am the
because I
sergeant.
dealt with him multiple times.
Listen to me. If you're told to get back, we're chasing somebody with a gun.
Okay,
you
let me know that. You say gun.
I told you.
You did not. Body cam it. No, you didn't. You didn't tell me nothing.
Everything's
I will
recorded.
be
I'm not worried about it.
all of
Okay.
that. Yes, I will be for you
I'm
requesting all
not
of that.
worried about it. Mac, do you want her arrested for it?
All I was doing was
I tried giving her fair warning.
I didn't creep on anybody. They were in
She wants to keep following me, keep following me. I don't know if she has a weapon on her. I don't know who she is,
They
and she's
pulled up,
following
I
me.
was in my yard, sitting on my porch, and I just saw.
What's your name?
She won't give it to me. Take her?
What crime?
Obstructing identification and obstructing.
But you can't.
Go.
I haven't committed a crime.
Defendant McNamara's failure to be the good cop and stop an unconstitutional action of his subordinate, Defendant Bonkowski, caused him to be named in a lawsuit that was filed by Sue almost 2 years later. It took so long to file because her charge of obstruction took 13 months to go to trial. That's right, the charge wasn't immediately dismissed when the prosecutor watched the footage. The dirtbag actually tried to prosecute and ultimately failed. Once Sue was ruled not guilty, the lawsuit named both Bonkowski and McNamara and alleged First Amendment retaliatory arrest and prosecution and unreasonable seizure. It is alleged that an internal affairs investigation was initiated as well, and don't worry, you may be assured that the department does not tolerate such conduct, and that appropriate disciplinary action has been administered. I don't believe them, and disciplinary records aren't made public, but both officers still have their jobs, even after they unlawfully arrested someone for engaging in a human right that is supposedly protected by the Constitution that they swore an oath to. Sue was arrested for a right so important that the Founding Fathers wrote it down first. On January 6th of 2022, the department settled the lawsuit for an undisclosed amount.
Oh, let's sue the department! Let's sue the
I have no money to sue. Are you crazy?
Losers, man.
I have edited down large portions of both videos. However, links to the unedited versions will be in the description and pinned comment alongside links to Chi-Town Sue's channel. If you pay her a visit, be sure to let her know that I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.